Have you heard about the scratch stock? This is a very simple device allowing you to do various kind of moldings without actually having a tool or router or something. Here's my attempt to the scratch stock. It's a very rudimentary device and it's scratching and it's stuck. What you need is a small piece of steel and some way to hold it. This is a marking gauge I made a while back following a Rex Kruger's video. It's a very good device, very simple to make, but now I actually want to upgrade it to the scratch stock. Let me try to make the shape and then I'll try to make the actual scratch stock. So basically there's nothing special about the scratch stock. It's merely a piece of steel that you shape to the desired profile. And I took this piece of metal from the saw. So this was just a piece of saw that I didn't really need to have. Okay, because it's metal, I have to be very careful and be very close to the... And compared to routers, you basically can make any profile, any desired profile, any custom profile. It's probably not going to be as fast as a router, but we'll see. My scratch stock blade is ready. So this will be the profile and we'll see what's gonna happen. So now I need to mount this blade inside. I'm planning to put it inside somewhere here and then put a screw here so it's holding up. So now I can already almost put it in. I need a little bit more. Okay. I really hope it's working. So assembling my scratch stock. Put the blade in and just tighten up. That's all is required. I'm really happy. So here you go. Very simple device, very rudimentary stuff. The blade is whatever it is, but now I can try to use it. Man, this is actually working. So basically use scratching. Well, for the shallow grooves, no problem. But in order to do 1/2 inch as I want it, it's going to take forever. And I already messed up here a little bit. Let me try on the side grain. Actually, much worse. It's doing a lot of tear out because you have to define the edges. Yeah, so this one is failure. So very simple device that you can make like in 20 minutes. It can make any profile, kinda. It's super good. Not with my experience. The surface is nice, but the edges, I don't know, I guess there's a lot of movement, not enough support for the fence. So if I did a little bit more serious about that, probably be better. I may need to resharpen this somehow or reburnish it. I don't think I'm going to be using it. I will still do the router part. It will be faster and nicer, or straighter I would say. But in any case, if you don't have a router, don't want to get one for some reason, or you want to know how the grooves could have been made in a long time ago, or if you want to make a very custom grooves, because you can see you can do any profile and you don't have too much space, so you're not warranting to order something custom routing bit. This could be an option for you. At least you can try.